Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this navy blue stenciled cake decorated with a gold drip. For the cake I've chosen a 5-inch round cake that's been stuck together and crumb coated. I'm adding just another layer of buttercream again. And this one's in navy blue, but it was too pale of a navy blue, so I actually ended up adding extra gel food color in navy, but then I added a whole bunch in black as well. You want to cover the top and the sides of your cake, and then use a frosting smoother to smooth out the sides, and then drag that lip of frosting towards the middle with your spatula. Pop it into the fridge to set, and then you can apply your final layer of frosting if you hadn't yet crumb coated. So that could be a crumb coat, and then you go on with the second layer again. This is the same navy, but I added in an extra few drops of navy blue gel food color, and then I added in black gel food color to get it the rest of the way to this shade. I do that a lot if I want a darker tone. The gels just don't do it sometimes. Adding black really helps to deepen that color. After a few hours of my cake resting in the fridge, the frosting has become nice and solid, so I can overlay a stencil over the top. You can pin down the sides. If it's long enough though, you can even just hold it with your fingers while you fill in some spaces. I've got burgundy buttercream and a little bit of navy as well. Just going over in a section at the front of my cake, and then adding gold edible paint over the top. And you can create this with gold luster dust mixed with rosewater spirit or lemon juice. Gently peel away the stencil, remove any excess sticking up at the top, and then go in with either some white chocolate ganache that's been tinted gold with gel food color, or you could even use just straight up melted white chocolate. If I do add white chocolate, I like to put some vegetable oil into the mix as well, maybe about a tablespoon worth of vegetable oil for every 5 or so tablespoons worth of chocolate, and that just allows me to add the gel food color without my chocolate seizing. And the benefit of using white chocolate instead of just regular ganache is that it sets super duper hard, so when you go on to paint, your brush strokes won't dent the shape of the drip. It'll remain nice and neat looking. I recommend going over in 2 coats. This is the same mixture that I used to paint over the stencil. And that's how I like to go about creating a gold drip. Add some extra decorations if you like. These are just luster dust coated Maltesers. I hope you guys enjoy this cake design and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out as well. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you again in the next one. Also, feel free to subscribe. We do upload a new cake decorating video every week. Bye for now.